Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and for today's video I will be swatching 4 new colors of Essence Cosmetics. This is a super affordable drugstore brand. It is pretty much sold worldwide, but especially in Europe, and I do know that the United States has some Essence Cosmetics as well. And yeah, let's just stop the rambling and go into the swatches. But first I will show you the 4 colors that we got. These are for the new fall winter 2024 collection update. There are only 4 colors this time, which is unfortunate in my opinion, because I really like the Essence nail polishes. They are only €1.99 in euros each. They are vegan, they are cruelty free, they are safe to use, and they contain 8 milliliters, which is a decent amount in my opinion, because personally, I have so many nail polishes, I never really finish one up, to be honest. So 8 milliliters is more than enough for me, and especially price-wise, like just below €2 a bottle, super affordable. But this first one is called 71 Faux Pearl. This is one of those polishes that just, it doesn't do it for me, but that's just because I don't really like pearly, kind of like pearly finish nail polishes. It might be really pretty to use in nail art as like details or something like that, but personally for me this is just not it. I am going to apply 2 coats for each and every single of one of these bottles, just to show you what they're capable of within 2 coats. It's not bad, especially for a pearlescent color, to be this like 90% opaque within 2 thin layers. But then again, it is a little streaky, but that's just what pearly kind of finish polishes do. So yeah, personally for me, I would skip this one, but to keep my collection as a whole and complete, I did get it anyway. And of course to show you guys what it does to the nail. Then next up is number 72, Left Me on Red. This is one of those dark, vampy, ox blood kind of colors, which is really suitable for upcoming fall season. I really like it. The only thing is, if you are applying this straight to your natural nails, make sure to apply a really good base coat, because it is a really dark pigmented color. It will definitely stain your natural nails, your nail plate, or even the skin next to your nails if your application was a little bit sloppy, which sometimes happens. It also happens to me, and I've been doing my nails for I don't even know how long. I'd say 20 years, longer than that, I don't know. But yeah, it is a really dark, vampy, blood red kind of color. I like it. It's really gorgeous. The only thing is, you do want to make sure you have enough product on the brush without, or to prevent it from getting really streaky and patchy, which was something that happened to me while recording this video. One thing you can do is just apply a little bit more polish, and just it levels out nicely afterwards if you don't mess it up on forehand, of course. But yeah, it is pretty opaque. Colors like these tend to be quite sheer, especially on the first coat or the first 2 coats, but I wasn't too disappointed in how opaque this one was within 2 coats. But once again, make sure to apply a really good base coat before applying this to your natural nail. The third color already is, I think, my favorite of these 4, and that says a lot, because if you have been hanging out with me here at my YouTube channel for a longer period of time, you know that greens are usually my least favorite nail polish color. And Emerald Energy number 73 is really green. It is also very dark, very forest-like, like dark mossy green with a beautiful sparkle going on. It's one of those slightly metallic-y kind of polishes, I'd say. So make sure to not overwork the polish, because it might get a little streaky from the brush strokes. But I really wasn't disappointed to see how opaque this one was within the first coat. I remember swatching, I think it was 2 years ago, when I swatched all 50 new colors when Essence revamped their nail polish collection. I was actually sent out some colors and I bought the other ones, and I swatched all 50 in one video, and there was one dark green polish in there, which I think it was just a creamy one without any shimmer or metallic like goodness going on like this one, but it was so sheer, and I was kind of scared to see this color because it reminded me of that polish. But of course, because it has that beautiful sparkle going on in there, it was completely opaque within 2 coats. So yeah, even though green is my least favorite color to wear on my nails, this one is definitely a must-have. And that says a lot coming from me, the girl who hates green on her nails. Then the fourth and last color for this fall winter 2024 collection update is actually kind of like a muted blue, I'd call it. It's one of those blues that contains a lot of gray. It is also kind of gloomy, but then again perfect for the fall winter season that is coming up. It is super creamy, there's no glitter or shimmer or any like pearlescent kind of goodness going on in here. It's just a basic creamy polish. I do think it could have been a little bit more opaque within the first coat, but then again, don't judge a polish by its first coat, because usually the second one makes it completely opaque, especially when it comes to Essence Cosmetics nail polishes. They're just so good. I really like them. And here you can see applying the second coat, it is completely opaque already. I did get some questions on how these polishes dry, especially by Essence Cosmetics. Some people claiming that they don't dry at all, stay really tacky and sticky. I don't have any issues with that whatsoever. I make sure my layers dry for like 3 to 5 minutes in between before going in with a next layer, whether it's top coat or another layer of color. Maybe it is because it's quite humid and hot at the moment during summer that for some people it doesn't really work out well, but I haven't had any issues with that, even though like it's been 35 degrees Celsius here in the Netherlands as well. And I don't have any air conditioning or anything in my home, so it's still quite hot here, but the polishes actually still dried decently on me. But yeah, I actually really like these colors. I'd say the green is my favorite. The red is quite nice too. The pearlescent one, it's just not for me. And the blue, it's just a basic like muted blue creamy polish. But yeah, let me know what you think about these colors. Do you get any yourself, or have you already gotten some yourself? Let me know in the comment section down below, and as usual, I hope to see you next time.